Welcome back to Srinampur Stadium and Inter College State Sports and Games Championship 2024-5 under the auspices of Education Director, Department of Higher Education, Government of West Bengal. Host college, Srinampur Girls College, Srinampur Hooghly. Thank you so much. And today is on 6th February 2025. I am now entering the Srinampur Stadium 1:30 p.m. Akshay Shah live. And entered the stadium now. And games, various type of games occurred now. Thank you so much. And stage here on the stage, Akshay Shah. Today. Thank you so much. And there are athletics and running and long jump and triple jump match. Thank you so much. Akshay Shah live today, Thursday. Thank you so much. Vlog নিয়ে নেব নে গাইস তোর নাম কি অমিত যাদব অমিত যাদব যাদব খেলা দেখছিস হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে খেলা দেখ আরেকটা ছেলে দৌড়াচ্ছে Thank you so much. Coming soon, Akshay Shah.